Away. So when you dyno kasi, like I said, the wheels in the front are moving, the wheels at the back are not moving. The computer knows this, and the assumption is you're slipping, so it will disable the ABS. But once it starts rolling again and it knows that okay, everything's back to normal, it will kill all the lights. Now, upak. Todo na yan? Definitely needs tuning to get more power.
Auto na siya. Close yun, sir.
Close yan. Good, bad, anything, nothing? Nothing.
Almost the same.
Almost the same, yeah. I need to see what RPM we are. Sige, isa pa. Floor from the get-go. Or your dyno chart, it's actually 3.5 and up. If you don't reach 3.5, no additional power. Hindi na umabot. Hindi umabot ng 3.5.
May mga tao dito.
Never mind.
Hindi kaya. Pwede isa pa. How about you start time mo?
Okay, I'll try it. Sige, I'll try it.
Nasa load rate ba?
Yes, so we can rev.
Yeah,
so we can rev. Basta lumapas ka ng 3.5 nandun, tapos mabilis na mag-rev. Ganyan talaga pag exhaust upgrade, it's next to negligible if it's low RPM and mahinang tapak. Dapat talaga floor because that's where maximum exhaust flow happens. If the flow is small, then small pipe is fine.
Sa driver talaga.
Tapang niya.
Oo, talagang wala akong ako eh.
Tapak eh.
Nakatingin na sa atin yung mga tao.
Wow, well, you learn something new every day. A full exhaust on an expander does not work. Shit. Anyway, this is what the dyno chart is. This is the expander that came in for supposedly should be a full exhaust. This is its baseline here, save for a K and an intake. Stock, it's 87 wheel horsepower. And this orange line here is just header alone. So there's easily 5 horses here, 5 horses here, but it's 4,000 RPM and up. There's almost no gain here below 3,000 RPM because there's not a lot of exhaust flow here. No little flow, then the pipe is enough. Bigger flow, then you need a bigger pipe or a straighter pipe. But the more important thing is there is no power loss here at the bottom. You can see in the torque also, there's no power loss here. That's the important part. And then maximum torque happens here at 4,142 RPM. So to get the benefit of the exhaust and to feel it, you need to drive above 4,000 RPM. This is what happened when we did the full exhaust. There you go. Terrible. But there is gain here at the low RPM. There's pretty good 5 horsepower gain here, but immediately after 3.2, power loss all the way until red line. Main reason is because this one, the air-fuel ratio drastically became rich. We have to figure out what the computer is doing and what it's thinking, but what we know is at this point, it's throwing in a lot more fuel into the engine. It's making it even more rich. In stock form, it's already pretty rich at 11. This is turbo car territory. Ideally, it should be around here, 13. So that one most likely will be our next step with Unichip. Then we can tune it or reflash one of those to bring the air-fuel ratio back up here. And just for kicks, this green line here is when we remove the muffler. I've often said that removing the muffler or changing the muffler of the car gives you 0 horsepower. That's pretty true, but for this one, it's not. So this is the one with the header, and this one we removed the muffler. As in, we just removed it. If this is the muffler and this is the pipe, we just nilihis lang. That's it. So that in effect simulates a free flow muffler. And as you can see, we got more power out of it. So the correct exhaust modifications on an expander is the header, leave the mid-pipe stock, and you can put any kind of muffler that you want. HKS, fake HKS, Grady, expensive Fujisoka, it doesn't matter. The style, the tip, the shape, the size, it doesn't matter. Because this one basically tells you this car is running with no muffler on, it makes power. So